In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wix events page. Now let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to Wix. Head over to wix.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in your dashboard. From there, select the website you'd like to add events to. Click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor so we can make the necessary changes. Next up, we're going to add the Wix Events app. Look towards the left-hand side of the screen. There's a menu there. Click on Apps. Now choose the app market. In the search bar, type Wix Events, and when it appears, click Add to Site. This will automatically install the Wix Events app and add an events page to your website. With your app now in place, let's create your first event. Navigate back to your dashboard and find Wix Events. Click on the plus New Event button. You'll need to choose the type of event you're planning. Wix gives you the option between an in-person event, an online event, or a hybrid event, which combines both. Once you've chosen your event type, enter all the important details like the event name, date, and time. Don't forget the location, or, if it's an online event, the meeting link. You'll also want a short yet engaging description of the event. Customizing your registration form is crucial too. Head over to the registration form tab and decide which guest details you want to collect, like names, emails, and phone numbers. Feel free to add custom questions, maybe something like, "How did you hear about this event?" Once you're done, save your form. Now it's time to design your event page. Back in your Wix editor, go to the events page. You can click on the events list or event details section. Using the design panel, play around with fonts, colors, and the layout to make your page compelling. It's a good idea to display upcoming events prominently, but you can also showcase featured or even past events if you wish. For extra visibility, use the events widget to feature your events directly on your homepage. Once your page looks great, you should set up email notifications. Go to the notification settings in your Wix Events dashboard. There, you can enable automated emails for registration confirmation, reminders, and ticket delivery. Each email's subject and content can be personalized to make them unique to your event. Another handy feature is guest check-in. Download the Wix Owner app, available on both iOS and Android. Use your Wix account to log in. Under Events, select Check-in. You can scan guests' QR codes right at the door, ensuring smooth attendance management. Finally, let's preview and publish your event. Click on Preview to give everything one last review, making sure the ticket purchase or RSVP process functions perfectly. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Publish. Congratulations, your event is now live on your Wix site